Editing with tools. So, we continue to analyze all the editing functions. In addition to those basic movements of clips that we have already analyzed, there is also a whole set of editing tools that are located on the left side of the timeline panel vertically. Each of them has its own name and hardwired shortcut. Initially, there is the selection tool, shortcut V, that looks like a usual arrow that we can use to choose clips. This is followed by the track select forward tool, shortcut is A key. The cursor is replaced by two arrows pointing to the right. This tool highlights all the clips to the right of where you click. Mostly, it's used for the large editing to push something away. If we need to choose and shift not all tracks, but only one, we should hold down Shift. Only the track that we click on is highlighted. When we are using the second function of this tool, track select backward tool, Shift plus A, the cursor will be replaced with two arrows pointing to the left. This tool highlights all the clips to the left of where you click. The fourth important tool is the ripple edit tool. Shortcut is B key. When we use the arrow to choose the edge of the clip, it will be shown in red. The edges will be clipped, and there will be an empty space on the track. Ripple works as follows. Splices are highlighted with a yellow bracket. If we crop the video, then there will be no empty space, and there will be gluing. If we unwind the video, the clip will shift to the right. If we rewind it, then this clip will shift to the left. Then we consider a tool like the rolling edit tool. Shortcut is N key. This tool changes the cursor to two red and black arrows pointing in different directions. At the same time, we highlight both sides of the splice with the red bracket. When we unwind one clip, another clip will be winded up. A trim window appears showing the end of the first clip on the left and the beginning of the second clip on the right. It's not necessary to know the shortcuts of these functions, because we have an adaptive cursor. When we hover the cursor over the splice and edit a key, the modes will be changed depending on the position of the cursor. There is the ripple mode with yellow bracket to the right and left of the splice, and there is the rolling mode with red bracket in the middle of the splice. These tools are versatile in different situations. The sixth tool we have is the rate stretch tool. Hotkey is R key. The cursor looks like two arrows pointing in different directions and located in different heights. When we use this tool, grab the edge of the clip and start unwinding it, it will lengthen by slowing down the speed. And vice versa, we wind it up due to acceleration. The number of fractions remains unchanged in the clip. The tool only takes information from the existing fragment. The top shows the speed change as a percentage. The next important tool is the razor tool. Shortcut is C key. The tool is called a blade. When you click on any area of the video, a false splice will appear. When you need to cut not one clip but several, you should edit Shift. The blade can be often used with other tools. For example, you cut the clip by using the razor tool, and you made a deceleration in the resulting second part. You extend the end with the rate stretch tool. This is followed by the sleep tool, hotkey Y key. With this tool, we scroll through the clip without changing its borders. The trim monitor is activated in the small screens in the program panel. We see parts of the video that remain unchanged. On the left, we see the last frame of the previous clip, and on the right, we see the first frame of the next one. Moving the mouse left or right, we can choose the desired phase and release the mouse. The last tool is the slide tool. Hotkey is U key. This feature allows the clip to slide regarding other videos. For example, we clip a video and move it to the left or right side. In large screens, changes are shown. There are the last frame of the previous clip and the first frame of the next one, and there are no changes that occur in small screens. We will talk about the pen tool later, when we get to the graphic layers, and we will also talk about other tools. Now we will finish talking about the tools, because we have considered the most basic ones.